Hello, my dear students of class 8. I am Lalit Kumar Pathak and this is your computer class. In this class, I am going to explain about a wonderful tools of Photoshop, that is clone stamp tool. For this purpose, if you want to activate this purpose, you have to press simply is S from the keyboard or click on this stamp tool. This tool is used to make a clone of your image. If you want to make clone or you can say duplicate of particular image in the same layer or a new layer or on any other picture or images, you can use this clone stamp tool. This tool is also used to remove any particular image or any particular part of image from the source. How you can perform clone tool? First of all, you must have an image. So I am going to show this with the help of example. First of all, you have to take any images like this one. We can drop it and make a duplicate layer, or you can create a new layer. Press Ctrl J for making a duplicate layer. Okay, now just click on clone stamp tool and select any particular, like click here. It give you a message, that means clone stamp tool is not activated until you press alt key. So for that purpose you have to press alt key and then click here, and then if you press this one, it make a clone, and now you can move your around the surroundings. It take images for making a clone. Understand? It is very attractive tool for making the clone. Understand? That make you, and you can just see two cursors. One is in circular way, another is in plus form, and whenever you move the circular, it make a clone. Understand? It is very easily you can draw clone. Okay, suppose you have, and whenever you move, next is aligned. Aligned is very important. When aligned is unchecked, then just click here, start moving it, and when you leave the cursor and start, it start from the beginning and taking the, again I am going to leave the cursor and again start pressing, then it start from the beginning of the selections and then make it automatically. You can also select any other modes like dissolve. It draw the images in another way. You can use any other like darken, also available. Now you can use multiply color burn, or you can also change the shape and size of the brush. Like I am going to take this one and take alt key and now drag it. It make this in different shape and size. It is also possible. You can change the opacity also, like for in a very light shade. If you want to draw the images in a very light shade, you can also change the opacity for this purpose. So you can say clone stamp is very useful while making clone. You can also use this tool for removing the some part of the image. If you want to erase the some pictures using clone stamp tool, just select it. Here you can see the tiger, and if you want to remove this tiger from this grass, then you have to first of all increase the brush size. Okay, and now press the alt key and now click here. Now you can see it is removed. Okay, so clone stamp tool is also used for removing the any particular picture from your selections. Okay, so I think you all know how to use clone stamp tool in Photoshop. So that's all for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.